stripped the frame. I've started sanding it down, so I'm just starting on the forks. These are quite bad actually, quite rough. Right, I think this is the best I'm going to get. I don't think I'm going to get much better than this, so I don't think I'll go overboard with it. Not a lot of point, because I think the paint's just going to come off again anyway at some point. I think it'll probably blister, but we'll see. I think it might be okay. Might be alright. We shall see. Right, let's just give that a little bit of a spray just over the top, just to see. Not very successful because there's not much left. Best I can do. Not very good stuff, but it's better than nothing. Right, so that's that with those ready for painting. Apart from those top bit, that's just a matte black. So that's that one. I might do these white actually, or would it be a bit overkill? No, I don't think so. What do you think? No, I'll do them black. No, I can't do them black. I haven't got any black paint, have I? Maybe I'll put these on. What do you think? Let's give that white. I might put them on rather than waste paint on this. I don't think I'll bother with these because they're quite badly pitted. There's a lot of rust on them, and for what they cost, it's not worth the hassle really. You pick a set of handlebars up cheaper than a tin of paint, so I'm gonna go with these, I think. And these are much lighter as well. Yes, we'll have the Eton ones. We'll have these instead. Back to this one again. So that's another bit prepped. Video's getting too long, so that's another one. I'm rubbed down and I'm ready for paint, so yeah, I'll get my painting stuff set up.